Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2016 66 plate Range Rover Evoque. Now this one is the SE Tech variant, so it comes very well specified from the factory. This is a four-wheel drive. They do a few different variants. The four-wheel drive is very sought after. It's a 2-litre diesel powered through the silky smooth automatic gearbox. I believe it's a 9-speed box in one of these. But a fantastic car all round. Euro 6 engine, 180 brake horsepower. The four-wheel drive is fantastic for all terrains, and then obviously superb for towing if that's what you need it for as well. Car itself is finished in the Fuji white paintwork, which is a very lovely, desirable metallic colour. Looks fantastic in the sunshine. Get that lovely fleck in the paintwork, and then lovely contrasting gloss black bits. So we've got the gloss black roof, the mirror caps, the detailing on the wings, the front grille, the sort of fog lamp surrounds. It is a very pretty looking car. So we've got front and rear parking sensors, we've got LED daytime running lights, so you get this on an SE Tech, you don't normally get those. We're riding on these lovely 18-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, finished in a lovely sparkle silver. They look superb, riding on really nice tyres. The brake calipers within there, they're in nice looking order as well. We've got privacy glass, and then we'll just jump through to the rear. We'll start at the back of the car. So in the back you'll find the tailored floor mats. They're all original Land Rover. We've got a 12-volt power outlet in the back. We've got split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. Down here you'll find a Space Saver spur wheel, which is a very nice thing to have. Not many of these come with Space Saver spurs. They all tend to be the tyre inflation kits. Inside then we've got a lovely ebony black grained leather sports seat. So looking at the actual back, you can tell the car's been very frugally used. So we've got Isofix in the bottom for our child seats, central armrest with cup holders, bit of storage there. The seats are in fantastic order. There's no signs of any sort of nicks, rips, tears. We've got rear vents, so the full benefit of climate control and air conditioning. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched. All the netting's in nice order as well. That tends to wear away if you leave things in there for too long. Coming through then to the driver's side, again, testament to the previous keeper. So looking at the bolsters, looking at the seat base, they're in nice order. It's not been smoked in, doesn't smell of any sort of pets. We've got park folding mirrors on this vehicle. We've got 4 electric windows, child lock for the rear. These are electric heated front seats. And then jumping inside, we're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. Leather's all in nice order. We've got bright silver detailing, brushed aluminium detailing all throughout the car. The fit and finish inside is lovely, and when you jump inside you do get that lovely sense of occasion. Auto box, we've got the flappy paddles on the steering wheel as well, so you can drive it manually if you choose to do so. We've got automatic lights and wipers on the stalks. We've got an onboard computer, and as we're doing the video today, for a 66, this is a mega low mileage car. It's only covered 36,272 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Coming through then to the centre display, we've got this nice big screen with all the buttons down the sides. So media is a full DAB. We've got all the extended channels. As you can see there. Then we've got satellite navigation on the car. That's very easy to follow, very responsive. Obviously Bluetooth phone, 4x4 information valet mode, that's all found up on there also. When you flick the car into reverse, parking sensors engage straight away, the front and rear parking sensors. You can switch them off if you wanted to as well. Dual zone climate control, heated front screen, hill descent, auto stop start, traction control, electric parking brake. We've got another 12-volt power outlet. Having the four-wheel drive, this system is very good. So we've got all terrain, so sort of sand, gravel, snow, normal. Supplied with both Range Rover keys. We've even got the original Land Rover tag on there. Keys are in very nice order throughout. The central armrest is in nice condition. In there you'll find your aux, USB and another 12 volt power outlet. We've got auto dimming rear view mirror, little glasses case, that's in nice order. Lane departure warning, and the list goes on. So if you'd like anything further on the car, please do get in touch. We've got some nice finance quotes on these cars. If you've got a part exchange, we can get you a price over the phone. But thank you for watching. Anything further, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.